These cinematic pictures are going viral on TikTok and Instagram right now, but no one knows how to make them. So let me teach you how to make them for free. Just grab your phone and open Gemini AI. It's completely free, no money needed. Paste the cinematic prompt in the prompt box that's showing on the screen. Hit enter, and in 5 seconds, AI will create your picture. Look at these golden god rays. This rim light, it looks just like a professional studio, right? And if you want different lighting effects, top light, window light, or rim light, just change the lighting name in the prompt. Same face, different mood. Completely free, no watermark, no copyright issues. And if you want these 4 ready prompts, comment prompt and I'll send them to you. Last tip, don't forget to add Mr._Editor's trending sound in CapCut and upscale to 8K. That's the viral formula.